Meaning of imitation.
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 Imitation. The term imitation refers to the act of copying or mimicking the behavior, appearance or characteristics of another person, object or organism. This can occur in a wide variety of contexts, ranging from social interactions between humans to the learned behaviors of animals. Imitation allows individuals to learn new skills, adapt to different situations and survive in changing environments. However, it can also lead to issues related to authenticity and originality, particularly in artistic or creative pursuits. Overall, imitation is an important aspect of human and animal behavior that plays a crucial role in shaping our interactions with the world around us.